Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox the Nokia 6 2018 edition. So before unboxing, please go ahead and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the new videos. This is the box for Nokia 6 and the phone is priced for 16,999. Nokia has recently launched this phone. So let's keep the phone aside. What we get is SIM ejector tool, some booklets, and let's see what we get inside the other box. So we get a power brick. This is the power adapter. Let's check the rating of the power adapter. Now we get headphones. These are the normal headphones. We also get USB Type-C cable. So let me go ahead and quickly show you the cable. This is the Nokia 6. Let me go ahead and unwrap this phone from the plastic. This is the black color of the phone, which comes with a copper accent. And on the back we get secondary mic, 16 megapixel camera, LED flash, fingerprint sensor, Nokia branding, and also on the camera we get Carl Zeiss branding. This phone comes with Android 1. So on the front we get a Gorilla Glass 3 5.5-inch Full HD display, earpiece, secondary camera which is an 8 megapixel. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 630 processor. So at the bottom of the phone we get USB Type-C port, speakers and primary mic. This phone comes with Nokia Ozo audio, and on the right hand side we get the power button and the volume buttons. On the left hand side we get SIM slot. This is the dual SIM slot and it is a hybrid SIM slot. So let's quickly go ahead and set up the phone, but before that we have to set up the fingerprint sensor. So let's do that. So this year the fingerprint sensor has moved on the back of the phone, and let's test the fingerprint sensor. So let's go ahead and set up it. So the setup process is now completed, and this is the home screen for Nokia 6, and this is the launcher for Nokia 6. It's like a stock launcher. We get Google now. Let's go into setting and check the phone software details. This phone comes with Android 8 and the security patch is February 1st 2018, which is not up to date. Now let's go ahead and check the storage of the phone. Out of 32 GB, 11.64 GB is used. So we get NFC support in this phone. Now let's go ahead and open the camera app. This is the UI and this is the front facing camera. Now let's switch back to the rear camera and take some snaps. The shutter speed is fast. So now let's take a look at the pictures which we took. So the image quality is really nice. and really great. So yep, this is the unboxing of the Nokia 6, and if you like the video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos.